When exporting your floor plan, you have two options: export the full canvas or just the floor plan itself. Before exporting the full canvas, start by preparing your floor plan. Turn off background grid lines and turn on the scale bar and north point. Let me reposition them just below the floor plan. Since the canvas background is originally set to gray color, switch the slide background to pure white before exporting. Go to File, then Save As, and choose your save location. Enter your file name and select your format, such as PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF. When prompted, choose just this one. Your full canvas is now exported and ready to share. By exporting only the floor plan, you can easily use it in other applications. Click and drag to select all floor plan elements. Right-click and choose Save as Picture. Pick your save location, enter a name. JPEG is the typical image. SVG keeps everything sharp and editable. PNG gives you transparency. Exporting your floor plan as a PNG keeps the background transparent, making it perfect for mood boards or presentations. If you export your floor plan as an SVG, you'll be able to edit elements like lines, line weight, color, and positioning in vector programs like Adobe Illustrator. By default, PowerPoint on Windows exports images at 96 dpi. Here's how to increase the resolution, and it's a one-time setup. First, close PowerPoint, then right-click the Start button and select Run. Type Regedit, then click OK. Next, navigate to the registry path shown on screen. For more detailed instructions, check out Microsoft's official guide linked in the description. Create a new subkey called Export Bitmap Resolution. Open the DWORD value settings, select decimal, and enter 300 as the value data. There you go. Once this is set up, you'll be able to export much higher resolution floor plan images directly from PowerPoint.